Hey guys, it's Justine, and today we are in the kitchen and we are cooking something with this oven right here. Not this one. This one. This is the Brava oven, and I've made a video about this before and I've talked about it so many times on my Instagram and Twitter. I love this thing, and I'm not a huge fan of cooking, but this thing makes cooking super simple, and it also cooks with infrared light, so it cooks very quickly, efficiently, and it has all of these recipes, and you can connect it to your phone. There's a camera in it. I can watch my food cook. I find my recipes on my phone, I make them, and I put them in the oven, and I push the button, and that's basically it. My meal is cooked. But today we're gonna be making one of my custom cooks. They have this option in here where you're able to take some recipes that Brava already has in their system. You can make various custom cooks, so basically you can become a chef. You can share your recipes with the Brava community. And today I'm gonna make you one of my favorite breakfast meals. So I just made my own custom cook. There's so many different options of things that you can do. They have a whole list here, so you can search for your food by the photos, or you can click search and you can basically search for anything that you wanna make. But today we are gonna be doing the custom cook. But I've already made mine. So this is iJustine's breakfast bowl. This tells you that we need the metal tray. We're gonna be keeping it on the top. Let's do it. First step, we need our frozen breakfast sausage. Frozen sausage, where are you? In the freezer, that's where it is. Do we want chicken and sage, or do we want savory turkey? I have a problem. I really like frozen sausage. Like, there's nothing that I hate more when I go into the freezer and I don't have my frozen sausage. I think that I'm just gonna do the savory turkey because this doesn't have any added flavors or anything. It's just, you know, kind of basic, because we're gonna add our own flavoring. So I would say, depending upon how many people you're making this for, I'm making 4 servings, but 4 servings I feel like is actually for 2 people, so that's just my appetite. Custom cook, ready to go. See you soon. There's my little sausages. They're, oh my gosh, look, you can see them. I wonder if I can do an HDMI out and do a live stream of this. So while the sausages are cooking, I'm gonna start working on my breakfast potatoes. So for those, I'm gonna be just using the Brava recipe. So I'm gonna need potatoes, some onions, and a pepper. It said a red pepper, but I couldn't get a red pepper in 2 hours on the internet to be delivered immediately. So we're gonna do a green pepper. The recipe called for paprika. I've never used this in my life, but today, we are. What are you? Am I gonna like this, do you think? Oh, look! The best part about all of this is I can see my meat cooking. Look, those are our sausages. They are being cooked. That looks nice. I was on Chopped once. Don't you forget it. When they asked if I had my own knives, I was like, wait, you guys don't have any? They're like, well, a lot of our chefs, you know, they have like their special knives. I was like, I got mine from the internet. You think I've got special knives? I don't. Now we're gonna slice up our onion, more or less to taste. Looking good. Before we started, Tyler was teaching me to cut an onion. So we'll see if I will make him proud or not, or if he's cringing behind camera. He's cringing. Doing it. We're slicing and dicing. That's a lot. We don't need that much. You guys are getting a real treat today, because normally I use frozen potatoes. Who's ready for some home fries now? This is gonna be my 3rd breakfast today. I just want it to be known. It really gets stuck on there. Really just...
Sticky potato.
Very. Sticky potato. God, now that word's gonna be stuck in my head. Sticky potato. Sticky potato. We have got sticky potatoes all up in this joint. Oh yes, our sausages. Okay, so I'm gonna chop up these sausages while the potatoes are cooking, and then I'm gonna put the sausages back in when we do the eggs. The one thing that is nice is this top of the oven is actually heat resistant, so you can put hot pans on it. Let's toss these in some olive oil and some salt and a paprika. Do you like onions? Mm-hmm. Okay. I think we'll do all the peppers though, because those are nice. Is that too much? These are some sea salt flakes. You don't even know about that. Usually my frozen version, it's already seasoned and everything, but this is the way to do it. Our pan is fully covered with our potatoes and peppers and onions, and now we're gonna roast these up as step 2. In you go. Let's do it. Our breakfast potatoes are cooking up. I was trying to find a smaller cutting board, but this was the smallest that I could find. A sticky potato. Getting those potatoes not so sticky. Okay, I'm gonna watch my potatoes while I cut the sausage. Also, I have an herb garden, so I'm gonna put some fresh herbs in this. Oh boy, the last step is here. Can we just look at this? This is gonna be fun because now I'm gonna make little nests here and I'm gonna put the eggs in and they're just gonna kind of like do their thing and they're gonna get all fried up. We're gonna have a delicious breakfast. I'm calling these a little egg nest. Put the sausages back on. So back in the oven we go for our final cook. I should start getting my fresh herbs ready. Oh, my harvest. It smells so good. These look done. I'm just gonna let it stay warm. Jenna's here!
Something smells delightful.
Yes, my fresh harvest. Look at this.
That's good.
Fresh. The big reveal, it's here! Oh, can you just take a look at that? Tyler is salivating over there.
Those potatoes?
Yes. Our masterpiece. Guys, I'm taking my photo for the recipe. That looks absolutely incredible. Can you just, I just want to say, I'm so happy with my performance. You want one serving? You want 2 servings? A little bit of salt. We have made food! So here's my finished breakfast bowl. I'm so excited to eat this. But one of the things that I love so much about these recipes is if you want to swap something out. So if you want to use bacon instead of sausage, or if you want to use some sort of meat substitute, that is also okay as well. I'll put a link in the description if you want to learn more about the Brava oven and everything else that it has to offer. And it's constantly being updated. Tyler, would you like the big boy 2 servings? Okay, that sounds good. Oh, look at that. Oh, man. Potatoes, sausage, and an egg. Like, what is better? Nothing. And my fresh herbs. I'm sorry, Jenna, I didn't make a meatless version for you.
It's okay.
This is so good. I'm gonna go eat in private.